Hey guys, I'm back here with another As Seen on TV review of a couple products. I'm going to compare two different tapes. I have flex tape and fix tape. Basically, the claims are the same, that you can repair things easily, underwater, super strong, super adhesive. Put a hole in the bottom boat, cover it with this tape, and it works. Who's going to do that? I don't know, but it looks cool in the commercial. I'm not going to test that, but we'll compare these on a couple different things outside and see which one works better. Now, I did get different sizes. This one's the 4" by 5 foot. This is the 8" by 5 feet. But we'll try them both in the same scenarios and see how they hold up. Flex tape is more expensive. For the 4" by 5 foot, flex tape is $12.99, where if you get fixed tape at that same size, it's $9.99. On the bigger size ones, the 8" by 5 foot, fixed tape is $14.99. If you got flex tape in that same size, it's $19.99. So this one's a little more expensive. So let's see if fixed tape can do the same and hold up. Is it worth spending the extra for this one, or are you just good to go with fixed tape? They're both clear. I bought the clear versions of these, so let's go outside and check them out. Okay, for this flex tape versus fixed tape review, I got a hole here. I'm going to go ahead and put another hole in here. We're going to use one of each of the tape. We're going to put a fixed tape over here, a flex tape over here, and see how well they compare to each other. Okay, so I got my two holes drilled in here. We're going to compare these two tapes. Now, just looking at them, you can see this is the fixed tape, this is the flex tape. If the tape being clear is important to you, fixed tape is definitely the winner. I mean, you can see right through that. This is really cloudy. Just from this, I mean, I don't know if it's the backing. We'll see when we pull off the backing if it's just this backing that's making this so cloudy. But let's go ahead and put the fixed tape on first on this hole over here. Now, if you didn't see my full review on fixed tape, I'll leave a card above. You go ahead and click on that video. You just peel off the backing here. And slap it over the hole. Get it on there good, nice and sealed. Went on very easily. Looks good. Now let's go ahead and try the flex tape and see how well this goes on. Okay, let's get this flex tape on and see how well that does. Now I can see after taking off the backing, it's still very cloudy. Not near as clear as the fixed tape. It is a little stickier, so it's a little harder to work with. Let's see how well it works on here. There you go. You have your flex tape here, your fixed tape there. They both went on relatively easily. There's no residue in my fingers. They didn't stick that much to my hand. They're both on there, seem to be doing a good job. We'll let them sit here for a while and see how they hold up. Okay, test 2 of flex tape versus fixed tape. Our fixed tape here, flex tape here. 2 holes in this PVC pipe. Let's see how easily they go on and how well they hold up on this PVC. Let's go with the fixed tape first. Pull it off. Even if you get your thumb on there, it's fine. It's not that sticky. You can peel it right off. Find your hole. Slap it on there. Super simple, super easy, very fast. Hole's fixed. Let's go ahead and get the flex tape. Again, it's very simple. Both these products are very similar. Their look is a little different. The price is a little different. But as you can see, they both did the trick. They blocked the hole. This tape is on there very firm. I'm liking the results. All right, so for this comparison of fixed tape versus flex tape, I cut a couple tears in this hose. We're gonna wrap the tapes around it and see which one works better. Okay, this first cut, I'm gonna go ahead and put the fixed tape on there. You wanna be get that hose put back together as much as you can. Carefully put this on, pressing it down as you go. Otherwise, you're probably gonna get some leaks. It's a lot easier putting this tape on a flat surface than wrapping it around a hose. It's on, and we'll see when we turn the hose on how well it holds up. Let's go ahead and get the flex tape on. All right, we get the backing peeled off here, and this one just, I think it's a little tougher to work with than the fixed tape. It's a little stickier. We'll see if the stickiness equals better performance. Okay, let's get this hose on and see how well these two hold up. Okay, so I have my fixed tape here and my flex tape over here. Obviously you can see the fixed tape is leaking. There's quite a bit of water coming out of that one. The flex tape over here though is doing a really good job. I'm not seeing, if there's any water coming out, it's very minute. Where this one, I mean, look at it, it's pouring out of this one. So this is the one test I say the flex tape definitely outperformed the fixed tape. The fixed tape, you could probably still use this hose with that on there. You're just gonna get water leaking, where with this flex tape, I mean, it's even bending it, there's still no water coming out of there. Super impressed with this flex tape in this scenario. Okay, I've had both of these on here for about an hour. This is the fixed tape and this is the flex tape, and you can see on both of them there's water coming out. The flex tape is actually peeling up on the corner. It's got a little bit there, but it's not really peeling. Fixed tape seems to be, or the flex tape, I'm sorry, seems to be peeling a little more, but they're both leaking. So are these long-term fixes for holes like this? No, you're still gonna lose some water in there. Just looking at it, I'd say the fixed tape outperforms just by a little bit in this scenario, but they're both leaking, as you can see. Okay, there you go, a side-by-side comparison of fixed tape versus flex tape. In most scenarios, they were pretty similar, except for the hose. Obviously, flex tape outperformed in that scenario. As far as being a clear tape, fixed tape definitely outperforms flex tape. Price-wise, fixed tape, again, outperforms. It's about $5 cheaper per size of roll compared to the flex tape. Do they perform like they show in the commercials? Not that what I'm seeing. Sure, they go on easy and they stop the leak right away, but they're not showing you what it looks like an hour later, 2 hours later, where the water is starting to leak out of these tapes. Are they quick fixes? Yeah. Are they long-term fixes? I don't think so. Would I put it on my motorhome or something to keep it from, you know, fixing a leak on there? No. You can see on the garbage can, it started leaking after an hour. So is it gonna help a leak in a motorhome? I doubt it. So, you know, do I recommend getting these? If you need a quick fix on say you take this out to the beach and you have a raft and throw it on there, the raft will last probably for the rest of the time you're in the lake there, but it's not gonna be a long-term fix. As far as which one would I get, it depends on what you need it for. If it's just a flat surface, fixed tape. If it's something like a hose or something that's more round, this seems to be a little stickier, and I think it outperforms in those times where you have to bend the tape around something. Then I would go with flex tape, as it says in the name. It flexes a little better than I think the fixed tape does. So hopefully this clears up. I mean, these two are extremely similar. I don't think you go wrong with either one, but don't get fooled by the commercials. These aren't long-term fixes. Just a quick fix to get you on your day, to fix a hose, to fix a raft, to fix a garbage can. If you need to fill a garbage can with water, I don't know why you would, but there you go. Fixed tape versus flex tape. I'm leaning a little more towards fixed tape. You can make up the final decision if you need to get either of these or just skip them all together.